Hi everyone, welcome to week 12. This week is on weather safety. So a couple things. First thing this week, if you're working on the weather project, you are to continue this week collecting data every day, minimum of 5 days for the week. Okay, and if you can do weekends, all the better. Everyone else, let's see, reminder, vocabulary is here. You need to be using the How Well Do I Know vocabulary sheet. You should be continuing to add to this every week. I want to just make sure that I have my settings set on this so that anyone with the link can view. And I'm going to unshare. Okay, so you should be adding every week your words, putting them in whichever column they belong in, and then maybe even going back at the end of the week and recategorizing those words if you know them better, moving them from one column to another. All right, so this week on weather safety, you're going to start out, there's some reading and videos on all of these pages. And then you have a short assignment to answer some questions on those. And then in the middle of the week, you're going to kind of shift gears just a little bit, and we're going to talk about climate versus weather, because you need to have a really good understanding of what is weather and what is climate. That's one of the things you should, in this unit, being able to talk about the differences between those two things. And there's this assignment here called Climate of Two Cities. And I'm just going to point out some things to you on this assignment because everyone will be doing this assignment. First off, watch this video that I've given you on how to do the assignment. It will be really obvious to me if you turn in this assignment and you haven't watched this and you turn it in correctly. Okay? Then you need to watch or go through this slideshow that is in Google, and you can access it here or by using this link. And then you can look at this map. The two cities, I've given you data for two cities, and one is San Francisco and one is Denver. But on the data sheet, they're not labeled. So you have to do some things with that data to decide which data represents Denver and which one represents San Francisco. So you're going to have to create some graphs in Google. I've given you a video that I've linked to right here. It is also down here at the bottom on how to do your graphs and how to put those graphs onto your sheet to turn it in. So you're going to share this in Google. It should be in your weather folder, and make sure you watch this video. After that, you're either turning in your weather project folder, which should contain your data. And remember, I told you if you collected data, actually that will be in week 11 when I check it. If you collect it over spring break and I check it in week 11, then you get some extra credit. And the vocabulary. And I just want to go back here to week 12. No extra credit offered this week. So if you have questions, let me know, but that should be it for week 12.